Hey people, so keeping by this whole I make videos for friends who meant so much to me. So, uh, if I were to think back at my life, when I was in the 11th standard, there was this 11th, yeah, there was this new girl who had joined our school. I studied at St. Anne's, Sikandrabad, and she had come from Kolkata, and her name was Shweta Jhunjhunwala, So, it like I'll always remember, yeah, like up until then, I was like around 16 at that time. So one particular day, like out of the blue, Shweta, we had just become friends, and we used to hang out and all. So she had brought me this soft toy that was like heart shape or something. So honestly, people, that was my first soft toy of my life, and I was 16. I mean, in my growing up years, we were three kids at home, so we never really we bought a lot of toys, of course, but a soft toy, that was my first, and I got it at 16, and this female friend, gifted it to me. So it was it's seemingly a small gesture, but even 15 years, even 16 years later, the gift I got at 16, I still remember it, and I still have it because I kept it so neatly preserved. I think among all the things I've ever owned, I've kept that soft toy in the most pristine condition. I mean, in terms of once my baby was born, then I allowed my child to play with it, allowed, because I some things are very precious to you, so you don't want it to get spoiled. So really, Shweta, this might sound like so odd or so dumb or weird or whatever, but thank you so much for that. I mean, it's life is such that if you don't get these chances, you should utilize it to the best of your abilities. So, and that's what, now she's a pranic healer, and she there's this particular Ekta Tours and Travels that she's associated with, that they organize travels and tour packages for people. But see, that's what, among her many different achievements, and she's a real accomplished pranic healer, but for me, she'll always be this friend who gave me my first ever soft toy in my life. So, I mean, till date, when I think of it, I get emotional. So, really, Shweta, thanks for teaching me that. Now, going forward, I will make sure to gift people these cute little sweet soft toy, a book or something, because they tend to stay in one's memory. So, really, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.